Hello. This week on Clints Corner we're looking at how box fittings are a great way to ensure your products arrive well presented to your customers. They don't just protect your products, they enhance the presentation, leaving a lasting impression. After putting all your efforts into creating an exceptional product, why not give it packaging that matches its quality? That's where box fittings shine. They present your products in an organised, attractive and elegant way. Box fittings offer a range of options. These include custom cardboard inserts that fit the shape of your product and dividers that create a neat arrangement. Just think of it as a grand reveal. When your customers open the box and see the products neatly arranged within, it's more than packaging, it's an experience that speaks volumes about your brand's attention to detail. So if you're shipping delicate glassware or high-end electronics, just remember, box fittings are more than just protection. So stay tuned for more packaging insights on next week's Clints Corner.